Let's learn how to add apps button to home screen. Normally we can open our all applications like this. We can swipe our home screen like this. After we can open all applications, but we can add apps button to our home screen. Let's learn how to enable this feature. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down and go to home screen option. You can enable this show apps screen button on home screen feature. Now I come to my home screen. Now you can see apps button on my home screen. Now I can open all applications using this apps button. If you like this feature, you can enable it.